What's up, everybody? Got the old truck in the garage today. Doing an oil change on it. Haven't made a video on the truck in a while. Haven't even made a video really showing it. Last time I made a video on it, it was in the garage. But since then, got some 33-inch, 12.5 wide Goodrich all-terrains. These tires work a lot better than I thought they would in the snow. I mean, I drove through a ditch in two-wheel drive, didn't get stuck, and there was probably 1.5 feet of snow. At least because when I got out, I was up to the control arms in snow. And I drove between the two garages here where my dad's Suburban's parked. There was about 2 feet of snow there on Christmas. Had to park the truck there so everybody could get in. Made it through just fine, two-wheel drive. But other than that, painted the intake, and a little something went wrong when I was coming home from work one day. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah, there's supposed to be a mount right there, and it's supposed to go up to the seat. As you can see, seat don't touch it, so you gotta watch when you're sitting in here. Otherwise, you hit the gas and you're not braced, you'll go all the way back in the back seat. But I got a deck from work and I got the kit. I just need to get the wiring harness for it, put that in there. Last Christmas, I got this oil filter socket set from my dad. They had them at work. They're like freaking $100. He got it for $25 because nobody bought them, because every single one of the sockets is made in China, so it's awesome pig iron. You can tell it's just really cheap shit. This 3/8 ratchet that came with it, nice and shitty. Says, how does it say? Hu-Jing, H-U space X-I-N-G. So yeah, I don't know what that means. Probably silly American and Chinese or something. But yeah, it works for most of them. There's not a socket for some of the filters, but yeah, sometimes you gotta sit and push everyone in individually to make sure it'll freaking shut. Make sure everything's in there. And piece of shit still won't shit. But anyway, there you go. Got the oil changed in the whole truck. The tires probably either gonna bite the bullet and buy some new headlights, or get a restoration kit that actually works, because the toothpaste worked for about a month and they're all clotted over again. But if you see my other video, and I got those fancy lights, the white lights, have those in. Yeah, still got my 2 amber lights on that side, 1 amber and 1 white light on that side. But oh yeah, now I gotta move all the vehicles back around again. Probably put a lip in. Actually, I'll start up. See what kind of oil pressure we get right after changing it.